Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss the general method of preparation of alcohols. According to your syllabus, there are 6 methods by which we can prepare alcohol. Okay, out of 6, 4 methods already discussed. Okay, so here we are going to discuss next 2 methods. Out of 2 methods, one method is the preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. Now look here, next method from Grignard reagent. Okay, now all of you know very well that is what is Grignard reagent. Okay, now look here, RMGX. Okay, that is alkyl magnesium halide. In short form, RMGX. This compound are known as Grignard reagent. Okay, RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, where R is alkyl group like CH3, C2H5 and so on, and X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Generally we use bromine. Okay, so when this reacts with some other species like aldehyde, ketone to form alcohol. Okay, now in your syllabus only there is monohydric alcohol. So here we are going to discuss monohydric alcohol, the reaction of the formation of monohydric alcohol. And all of you know very well that in classification monohydric alcohol are 3 types: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Okay, so look here, for the preparation of primary alcohol means 1 degree alcohol. Okay, now formaldehyde. What is the formaldehyde? Formaldehyde means aldehyde. Okay, now the formula of formaldehyde is HC=OH. Okay, now when formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent. Okay, now look here, this is the formaldehyde. When it reacts with this one Grignard reagent, we have taken CH3 magnesium bromide, मतलब methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, when it reacts to form, look here how they are reacts. Okay, how they are reacts. So look here, in case of this one, the Grignard reagent, this part is negative part and this whole part is positive. Okay, now look here, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It means oxygen attracts shared pair electron towards self and it acquire negative charge. Okay, and carbon acquire positive charge. So look here, carbon acquire positive charge, methyl is negative, it attack on this, and it acquire negative charge, this portion attack on oxygen. It means there is formation of a compound. Look here, CH and CH3 attack on this carbon, CH3. Oxygen contain negative charge and this. Okay, now after this on hydrolysis, इसका क्या कराओगे? हाइड्रोलिसिस. और हाइड्रोलिसिस मीन्स रिएक्शन ऑफ विथ वाटर. ओके, अब देखो वाटर को हम लिख सकते हैं H प्लस OH माइनस. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. In this case, here this bond dissociate when it reacts with water. It dissociate. It contain positive charge and it contain negative charge. So H attack on oxygen or H plus combined with oxygen and hydroxide combined with MgBr. So what is the product? Look here. This one is the carbon, hydrogen CH3 plus OH plus MgOH Br. Okay, now look here, there is formation of alcohol. Now it can also be written as CH2 CH3 CH2 OH means CH3 CH2 OH, name is ethanol. Okay, and it is a primary alcohol. Okay, so in this way there is formation of primary alcohol. Okay, now when formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, then there is formation of primary alcohol. Okay, now for secondary alcohol. Look here, when acetaldehyde, okay, now formula is CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, when acetaldehyde, the name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Common name, IUPAC name. Total number of carbon is 2, group is aldehyde, that is ethanol. Okay, now when it reacts with Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr. Okay, now what happened? Look here, carbon contain positive charge, oxygen contain negative charge. Now in this alkyl magnesium bromide, look here, alkyl group or negative species means alkyl group contain negative charge. Okay, so it attack on this carbon. So product is CH3 C OMgBr H CH3. Okay, this portion attack on this oxygen and this carbon. Okay, so this one. And now after hydrolysis, इसका क्या करोगे? Hydrolysis means reaction with water. Okay, H plus OH minus. Okay, and there is formation of CH3 C OH H CH3 plus MgOH Br. This can also be written as, okay, CH3 CH CH3 C CH3 H OH. This is the secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol. What is the name? IUPAC name. Look here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 means propane 2. Okay, so in this way we can prepare secondary alcohol. Okay, we can take any type of aldehyde except formaldehyde. Now for tertiary alcohol we take ketone. Now look here, CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is an example of ketone and the name is acetone. So common name is acetone and IUPAC name is propanone. Okay, now it reacts with CH3 Mg Br. Same reaction, same process, it dissociate and this one. So there is formation of CH3 C O Mg Br CH3 CH3. Okay, yeah, one more CH3. So on hydrolysis, H plus OH minus is formation of CH3 OH CH3 plus MgOH. This one is the 3 degree alcohol. Okay, now what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. The IUPAC name is 2-methyl 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane to all. Okay, so with the help of Grignard reagent we can also prepare alcohol. Okay.